The recurrent laryngeal nerve is mixed nerve containing adductor to abductor ratio of first option is 2 is to 1, second 3 is to 1, third is 4 is to 1, and fourth is 5 is to 1. Answer of this question is 5 is to 1. It means adductor fiber are 5 times than the abductor fiber. The recurrent laryngeal nerve is a mixed nerve containing afferent, sympathetic, parasympathetic, and 500 to 1000 motor axon and adductor to abductor ratio about 5 is to 1. The ansa cervicalis, however, contain afferent fiber from the first three cervical nerve C1, C2, C3 to innervate the strap muscles, whereas intrinsic laryngeal muscle are controlled to contract at a specific time. The strap muscle have not been shown to have any phagic action in the primate. Reinnervate muscle takes on characteristic of supplying nerve, and selection of donor site should take into account the muscle fiber composition of the muscle to be reinnervated. So, neuromuscular physiology is important to reinnervation procedure of the larynx. Second question is most common muscle fiber in thyroid node muscle. Slow contractile aerobic metabolism, intermediate contractile both aerobic and anaerobic metabolism, and fast contractile and anaerobic metabolism. Fourth option is none. Answer of this question is third, fast contractile and anaerobic metabolism. Most of the laryngeal muscle are having type 2B fiber. It means fast contractile and anaerobic metabolism. Muscle fiber mainly divided into three types according to histochemical and contractile property. Type 1 fiber is slow contractile and aerobic metabolism. Type 2 is intermediate contractile and both aerobic and anaerobic metabolism. And type 2B is fast contractile and anaerobic metabolism. Muscle that produce low tension over a sustained time period will have a high concentration of type 1 muscle fiber. High concentration of type 2 fiber will be seen in muscle that contract rapidly, generating high tension over a short time. The intrinsic muscle of the larynx differ in their constitution of the muscle fiber, but thyroid muscle, part of which is vocalis muscle of the vocal fold, has fast contractile time about 14 millisecond, and it's having only less than 36% type 1 muscle fiber. The strap muscle, however, have a higher percentage of type 1 muscle fibers, about 66%, and a contraction time about 50 millisecond. The distribution of neurovascular end plates in each of the intrinsic laryngeal muscles and strap muscle are also different, with a diffuse pattern in the thyroid node muscle, while in the skeletal muscle distribution is narrow. This gross difference in histochemical and contractile properties of these muscle groups and their nerve supply make them poor recipients and donor for nerve transfer between the ansa cervicalis and recurrent laryngeal nerve. It is proposed that unfavorable synkinesis that occurs in damaged recurrent laryngeal nerve with mixed partial axon regrowth is replaced by a more favorable synkinesis from ansa cervicalis. Even though this anastomosis is not good, but it gives some movement because of synkinesia in the vocal fold. In vocal fold palsy, even we can transfer muscle nerve pedicle of omohyoid muscle through thyroid cartilage window into this paralyzed vocal fold to supply and make it bulk in long duration of vocal fold palsy. So this may be a treatment option.